Welcome to our channel. If you're new to Pinterest and want to learn how to use it effectively, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the basics of Pinterest, how to create an account, and how to make the most out of the platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your Pinterest account. Download the Pinterest app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or visit Pinterest.com on your browser. Sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Choose a username and set up your profile with a picture and bio, optional. Step 2. Set your interests. When you first sign up, Pinterest will ask you to select topics that interest you, such as home decor, fashion, cooking, etc. These interests will help Pinterest recommend pins and boards that match your preferences. Step 3. Navigating the home feed. Your home feed will show you a mix of recommended pins based on your selected interests. Pins are images or videos that link to a website, blog, or other resource. You can like, comment, or save pins by clicking the red Save button on each pin. Step 4. Create boards to organize your pins. Boards are where you can save your favorite pins for different topics. Here's how to create one. Tap your profile icon, top right corner, and select Boards. Click the Create Board button. Give your board a name, e.g., Home Decor Ideas or Healthy Recipes. Select Create and start saving pins to your new board. Step 5. Pinning content. To save a pin to one of your boards. When you see something you like, click on the pin. Tap the Save button at the bottom of the image. Select the board where you want to save it, or create a new board. Step 6. Search for pins and ideas. To explore Pinterest further, use the search bar at the top of the screen. You can search for anything from recipes to DIY projects to fashion inspiration. Pinterest will show you a variety of relevant pins. Step 7. Follow other users and boards. Follow boards or users you like to see more of their pins in your feed. When you follow someone, you can stay up to date with their new pins. Step 8. Create your own pins, optional. If you want to share your own ideas or products, click on your profile and tap Create Pin. Upload an image or video, add a description, and include a link to your content, e.g., a blog or product page. Select the board you want to pin it to and click Publish. Now you know the basics of how to use Pinterest. With these steps, you can start saving and organizing your favorite ideas, exploring new content, and even sharing your own. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more beginner-friendly social media tutorials.